So Leah's got curry mee from Secret Recipe. Go on then, Leah, so talk us through it.
Well, a little spicy, but
You got half an egg in a mouth.
It's spicy, but it's also really nice.
Right, there it is. And to combat the spiciness, she's ordered a vanilla milkshake. But it's good, right?
That's why we put it here. You get it here. And then blow. Get the other hand.
See, there's a technique, right?
And then blow and then.
Oh, yes. Wow, look at that face. Yeah, it finishes with a thumbs up.
I'm gonna try another egg.
Okay. You're gonna put that all in? Okay, go on then, let's see this. Oh my, what, the egg's in? Oh dear, okay, we're gonna cut this before it all comes flying out. Leah, how are you feeling right now? Are you about halfway through your meal?
Spicy.
It's spicy. He's having some. There you go. Oh, now this girl's struggling.
Eating lunch has never been so hard.
Alright.
Can you add sambal as well?
That's without the sambal going in. Imagine if we dumped that in.
Spicy. Entry of this too.
Documentary. Lauren, tell us what you got today.
Buttermilk chicken.
Oh, look at all that greenery on the plate as well.
Yeah, you better eat
I can't wait to see you eat all that salad.
Yes. Try it.
Alright. Test out the sauce then. Hot! Oh, yeah. Love.
Oh, sure.
Here goes the chicken.
It's hot so much.
Yes, go on then. Oh. Right, describe the taste, Lauren. Just like the Scottish guy on YouTube.
Good.
Good, that's all you can manage. Good. What the heck?
She's not good with words.
It's still too hot. This girl's still struggling through her noodles. Oh yes, that's a good mouthful. Fadida's grabbing a bit of fish cake from Leah's. And Fadida, what are you eating today?
Cordon bleu.
Something bleu something.
Cordon bleu.
Cordon bleu. Right, this is your favourite go-to kind of meal, isn't it? Why is that?
Because the chicken is cheesy.
It's what? Cheesy? Let's see.
Well, I don't know.
Put it down the middle. Is it like the picture? The cheese comes oozing out, and where is the cheese?
Oh, we've got one bit there.
Oh wow. Not much cheese in that, is there?
No.
Yeah, it's nothing like the picture. I hope you enjoy it though, babe.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
There's a fish cake right there.
What?
That was the fish cake.
Right. And then first up is the salad. What a good start.
Alright.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Right, so I've gone for spaghetti bolognese. Just felt like it today, you know. Look at all the cheese on top. Can you get a close up of that, love?
Yeah.
Cheese and tomato and is that carrot in there? Spaghetti come with carrot nowadays. Alright, let's get this in me gob. It looks really hot, Steve.
The bolognese.
Oh, yeah.
What?
It's really close. And there's mushroom as well, right? Yeah, that's pretty decent that. Look, there's some mushroom too. That's pretty decent. Nice spaghetti. This girl's coughing her guts up, by the way. I always feel like you can't go wrong with Secret Recipe. Anytime you come here, there's always something nice that you can eat.
Yep.
A few different favourites that I like. I just stabbed my gum with a fork. I got stuck. Yeah, it's just good stuff. that we really love about the secret recipe as well, Fidelia just brought it up, is the portion sizes are huge. There's loads on the plate, right?
Yeah.
There's plenty to eat, there's plenty there. There's too much, right? Well, you're full already. Are you done?
And I had a lot.
It still looks like there's half left. It's a big bowl.
It is a big.
That bowl is probably, if you put it sideways, bigger than your head. Yeah. And look at all the salad they gave to Lauren, very generous. Now, if you noticed on the time lapse, Lauren actually put a bit of salad in her mouth. How was that? Are you going to have some more?
You can dip it with the sauce.
Yes? No? No answer.
I would want to.
But, doctor says, get it down here.
What?
There you go, just get that in.
No.
I was wondering why it was taking so long for our piece of cake to show up. They've been writing messages, don't want a message, just want a piece of cake for Pete's sakes. A secret recipe, are you going too far in there? Have a nice day.